everyone, welcome back to How to Doctor. In this video, let me teach you on how to hide apps on iPhone running with iOS 18. Let's start this tutorial by going to your home screen. Now select what app you wish to hide. For example, let's simply select the Discord app right here. Long press on the app and in the pop-up menu, select Require Face ID. Next, it will show this option. Select Hide and Require Face ID. Now tap on the Hide app to complete your action. It will hide the app from your home screen and from the search menu. To see your hidden apps, swipe left until you reach your app library. And here, scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the hidden folder right here. Tap it and unlock it using your Face ID. It will automatically show you the app that you've hidden. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. And we'll see you on the next video.